Right, so the idea is once you heat a connection, you get the tip right on it. These are silicone. These tips are silicone, and a good solder sucker will come with extra tips. These are silicone that can handle, they have a high tolerance for heat. So you put it right over the connection like so, and then you hit this button, which sends, this is for demonstration purposes, which will send it, does that. It sucks. And a good solder sucker will suck really well. So you want to heat the surface. You pop your tip in like so. You heat it, and then you get it right over like so. And you want to do it as fast as possible while the liquid is hot. If need be, you could add a little solder to it, and then heat it, and then pop it right out. So in the end, it'll all look like so, and hopefully you'll be able to just pull it out like that. Okay? So thank you for watching. Have yourselves a great Monday, July 26th, and stay tuned for more crap.